Okay guys, in this tutorial, what I'd like you to do here is share your work with me. So you'll have to run it and finish it here. But you're going to show me what you did up here on the canvas. So in order to do that, obviously you want to finish up all of your lessons here. As you guys can see, I have up here on my little gallery. And when you're done, you're going to come up here and click on your share button. You select share. You could copy this link by clicking on it. And then you could go Control C to copy it, or you could right click on it and copy, either way. So once you've copied it, then you're going to go back to your Canvas page. So I'll close this out. So you could go to your Canvas page and excuse me, then you could go back to your assignments, whichever one you need to get into. And I'm just going to use my, as always, I'm going to use my video one. So once you get into here, you're going to click on your Submit Assignment. Once you get into your Submit Assignment, I'm just going to expand this here a little bit. You could scroll down through here. You could then click on Website URL. Click on this area right here where it says Website URL. And you could go Control V as in victory to paste it. Or as always, you can right click and go to paste. So whichever is easier. Just send me a quick note like, hi Mr. DeSora, check out my work that I completed. Once you're done, then you click on your Submit Assignment and that should go to me perfectly. So hopefully this helps out, but pretty easy way to get that submitted. Alrighty guys, take care.